Hi guys, I'm Tina. I teach 8th Maths.
This is Tanya. I teach 10th Maths.
Check out our videos on the playlist.
So guys, let's read the question. Daniel was painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So here the question is that there is a room. So let me show you guys an example. Okay. So here in this house, if I open it, so let me open it. Okay. So when I open it, here you guys can see this is the room. Okay, it's not so clear. So wait, let me show you guys. Yeah, so I hope now you guys can see. So in this room, this is the top, that's the ceiling, am I right? So while painting a room, you guys are going to be painting this wall, this wall, this wall and this wall, am I right? But here, yeah, of course you are going to be painting the ceilings too. But one place you are not going to paint. Which place is that? That is the ground. That's the down part. So we are leaving this ground. In your house you can look at the floor. Maybe there is a tile or cement, anything. Okay. So most of the house will have tiles. Okay. They won't paint with the paint in the ground. Some people used to do, but majority is tiles. That's why here we are going to use curved surface area. Okay. Because we are not covering all the spot. We are leaving a spot. Am I right? That's why we are going to use curved surface area. So let me write it out. So guys, I forgot to mention an important thing, that is in this place. In this place you can also use TSA. It's not a problem. Okay. But there is a small thing that you have to notice if you are using TSA. That is, let me use TSA and show. Okay. So TSA. Okay, yeah. TSA of a cuboid, am I right? Because here they have mentioned, wait, let me write it. TSA of cuboid minus, okay, is equal to, let me write the area of wall and ceiling. Walls and ceiling. Okay, I here it's missing, am I right? Ceiling. So now what I am going to do is, here again let me show you guys the example. So here you guys can see in this house, we are going to leave except the down part, am I right? So only the bottom, only one place is left. So we can also write it as TSA of cuboid. So what's the formula? Let me replace it with the formula. Okay, that is 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus HO minus LB. So why minus LB? Because in the bottom, in the down part, we will have length. Okay, let me show you the breadth and the length. Am I right? So this is the breadth. Okay, sorry for the shaking. So this is the breadth. I mean this is the breadth and this is the height. Okay, so we'll write it as length into breadth. So I told this as height, it's all okay, we can take it as length and this is the breadth. Okay, so now we shall solve this. So what is the value of L? L is height, L is length, am I right? So here they gave length, breadth and height. So first length value is 15 into breadth. So what is the value of the breadth? The value of the breadth is 10. So 10 plus 10 into 7 plus 7 into 15. So now we shall subtract it. Subtract means here minus 15 into 10 because L into B. LB means L into B. That's why 15 into 10. So now 15 into 10 is 150 plus 10 into 7 is 70 plus 15 into 7 is 105. Okay. So 105. So minus 15 into 10 is 150. Am I right? So 150. So now we shall add all these up. So 150 plus 70 plus 105 is 325. Okay. 325. So 150 plus 70 plus 105 is 325 and the minus 150 as it is. So now what we are going to do is we are going to continue it in the next paper. So now we have, let me write the same line again here. Okay. 2 into 325 minus 150. So 325 into 2 is 650. So 650 minus 150. So 650 minus 150 is 500. So this is the area of the wall including the ceiling and without including the bottom part, because we are not going to paint the bottom part, right? So this is the full total area of the room except the bottom. So we shall write 500. So in the question what do we have? Meter, am I right? So 500 meter square. So I hope you guys understood till this part. So next what we are going to do is we are going to find number of cans. Number of cans. So in the question they mentioned that for one can, that is for one can like for covering 100 meters square, that is we have 500 meters square, right? So for 100 meters square one can is needed. So for 500 meters square how many? By using our knowledge itself we can find the answer is 5. But we have to show them, right? That's why I am dividing it. So cancel, 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 which is equal to 5 cans. So this is the answer. But let me explain this once more, okay? You guys won't, like it will be little hard to understand. So for one can 100, with using one can we can cover 100 meters square. So for 5 cans how much it's required, like how much meter square is required? Meter square, not like how to say that, yeah, how much for 5 cans, how many area we can cover? 500 meters square. So using this idea also you can do it, because for 1 can 100. So for 5 can how much? So how will we find? 5 into 100, which is equal to 500 meters square. So here itself we can find, we got the 500, this 500 here. So we can write the, with which number we multiplied? 5, right? So we can write 5 cans, with 5 cans we can cover 500 meters square. So this is the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends
and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.